First, install 7-zip. From the View tab, enable the File Name Extensions option. The location of this option may vary depending on your version of Windows. Remove MD5 from the file name. The file will become a tar. Open the file with 7-zip and extract the desired file. Extract the LZ4v191winx.zip file, depending on your version of Windows. Drag the LZ4 file onto LZ4.exe to convert it into an IMG file. Now we'll continue with the steps to convert the IMG file to MD5. Extract the IMG to MD5 converter.zip file. Copy the IMG file into the extracted folder. Open the batch.bat file to convert the IMG to MD5. To convert the IMG file to tar for use in Odin, do the following. Right-click the IMG file and use 7-zip to convert it into a tar file.